Today we are going to look at the history of ice creams. But first, what is ice cream? Ice cream is a combination of ice, milk, cream, air, and sugar. The cream contains fat droplets, which is what makes ice creams creamy, and the milk contains proteins which form a membrane around the fat droplets, making it hard for them to come into contact with each other. When the fats and water are mixed, emulsifier molecules are formed and they replace some milk proteins on the surface of the fat droplet. This ensures that the fat droplets mix more evenly when whipped. As the ice cream is frozen and aerated, small air bubbles get trapped into the mixture. Finally, sugar is added. This lowers the freezing point of water so you don't end up with chunks of ice in your scoop. Add some flavor and that's it. Your ice cream is ready to be licked. So, who invented ice cream? The earliest version of ice cream dates way back to ancient Greece when Athenians would mix snow, fruit, and honey. But that isn't really cream, is it? Fast forward to China, where the legend goes that King Tang of Shang had about 100 men bring fresh snow to him daily. He would use the snow to freeze a mixture of milk and rice and devour it. Now, this seems a bit closer to ice cream, but still, not really. So next, let's go to ancient Rome, where the Roman Emperor Nero was known to mix honey and wine with snow. That's cool stuff, but again, no cream! Next, let's go to the 1630s, when King Charles I of England was rumored to have enjoyed a special version of ice cream. Rumor has it that he paid his cook a hefty sum to keep the recipe a royal secret. But just like all secrets, this one was leaked too. By 1744, these ice creams made their way to America, and the first ice cream parlor opened in 1776. The rest, as they say, is history. So who invented ice cream? Well, it seems that different forms of ice creams were invented in many disconnected cultures, so it's hard to pinpoint who created it. But what we do know is that ice creams are delicious and you should probably go get one right now. So, what are you waiting for? Lick away! If you want to learn more about the history and science behind cool things, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, you can follow our Facebook page and Instagram for even cooler stuff. Bye!